Okay, here I'm putting the belt on. I put a C-clamp on one side, as you can see, and then I'm just working the belt on, and everything goes fine. And even though it doesn't look like this belt will stretch, it does. You just gotta bow up on a little bit. But when you start getting close, the belt starts trying to rotate, and that little section, that last little section is gonna twist on me. And once it gets in there, I mean, it's twisted, and it right there is twisted. So if you look at it again, you see that the belt's twisted between my thumb and the C-clamp pretty good. It's not, and there's no flipping it back, spinning it, because it's pretty rigid belt. So we need to get that back out. But here I did try to lift it up with my screwdriver and flip it with my channel locks while it was still in the groove. Then to make it worse, I kind of nicked my belt by using these sharp-edged welding pliers to try to get it out. So finally, after I gave up on that little experiment, I went back to getting the belt back out of the groove, which you got to take two screwdrivers, as you see I'm doing here, and kind of spread them out and pry at the same time to flip it out. One screwdriver won't do it. So now I got it back out where I had it. Notice I'm using my right hand to hold the belt key, and then I got my son holding it so I don't lose what I already gained with the ground I gained. Here I'm using the channel locks now to pre-spin the belt out so that when I raise it back up and it starts to roll, it'll just roll right into to the groove where it needs to be. So here, and it's kind of tough to get this screwdriver to lift that belt because this is that tight section. So, but you just kind of hold your, see how I'm holding my pliers, kind of keeping it rolled out, letting it roll into the groove. It takes a couple, and I got my son having to help me out. You gotta have about 3 screwdrivers to do this, by the way, at least 2. And there, kind of flip that in, and now it's almost got it. And there it is. Now I get my pliers out, and it's done. Got two wheels ready to go. Now I just got to build a sawmill.